Hi guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa labas. Maka-harvest ako ng ang tawag nito, ng apricot. Ayan, kasi ready na silang i-harvest. Mainit. Ayan ah. Ang ganda. Super. Ayan. Ang dami. Ang gaganda nila guys. Oh, nagkandahulog. Sayang. Super nice. Masarap ito guys. Ayan, ito lutong, hinog na hinog siya. Ayan. Kainin natin, nagugutom ako. Sarap. Guys, juicy at masarap. Ayan. Mm. Mm. So, ayan. Yung iba, green pa. Ayan. Yung dalawa, tatlo, ayan sa taas. Hindi ko abot. Tingnan natin. Ang ganda nito guys. Kalikayuan. Kuha ako na. Ang siguro. Hindi ko maabot yan. Dito lang muna. Ay, nahulog. Ang ganda. Organic. Uy, nahulog na naman. Ayan. Very nice. Natin yun nahulog dito. Sayang. Ayan. Hinog na hinog pala. Ayun, isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat, lima na lang. Yung iba dito hindi pa pwede. Ayan, saka na lang yan. Ang sarap. Super sarap guys. Super sarap. Ayan, nakuha ko rin siya guys. Yung iba doon pa. So ayan, ang dami. Pero maliliit yung iba. Hello, madlang people. Ayan. Papauwi na. Tapos ko nang linisin ito. Ayan. Tapos na. Pupunta ako ng garden kasi first time kong iba-vlog yung garden namin na this summer. Ayan. So, papakita ko muna sa inyo ang laman nitong tinatawag namin na lodge. Ayan. So, ito is one bedroom guys. Ayan. Ayan, mayroon silang kitchen. May kitchen dito, ayan, ayan. Tapos, toilet, bath. Ayan. So, ayan. Tapos dito is yung bed. Ayan, king size bed. Ayan. Tapos, patayin natin yung ilaw. Punta ka sa baba. Mayroon sila ditong parang baranda. Ay, ipapasok ko ito kasi baka uulan. Ayan. So, ito yung buhay arado, guys. Ayan. Maraming ano dyan, rabbit. Ayan. Ayan sila, dalawa. Pero, dito marami kong minsan. Ayan, isa, dalawa. Tsaka yung iba sa dulo, andoon. Kumakain sila ng yung mga baby rabbits. Ayan, ayan. Ang iba nang sa dulo. Ayan, kumakain sila ng damo. Ayan. So, ito, lalagay natin dito. Ayan. Tapos, uuwi na. Ayan. Tapon lang yan. Ayan. Tapos, pupunta ako ng garden. Ayan. Sarado. So, ito is one bedroom. Ayan. Sara natin. Tapos, dito sa labas. Ito guys, made in the Philippines pa ito. Ayan. Kasi nasira yan ng ano. Papakita ko muna sa inyo dito yung mga halaman kasi super ganda. Ayan oh, pulang-pula. Ayan, ang ganda. Ayan. Super ganda. Ayan. Ang ganda-ganda. So, ayan siya, mga bulaklak dito sa labas. Ito, amoy curry. Ayan. Ang ganda ng mga halaman, guys. So, ayan. So, ayan. One bedroom ito. One bedroom. Yung mga malalaki is two bedroom. Ayan. So, nililinis ko yan. Yun ang aking arado, guys. Arado. Yun na may dalawang maliliit na rabbit doon. Ayan. Pero pag sa gabi na, marami dito. Ayan. So, yun lang. See you sa garden. Taxi! Can I have that? I have this one. And then I meet you in the...
Some of them you have to pull out the tags.
Oh, okay.
And some of them you just move the brick.
Yeah. Ayan guys, nandito yung baunan ko ng sandwich. At saka ito, kasi mag-harvest kami. So, ayan guys. So, nandito tayo. Ito yung bagong pananim ni Joe. Ayan. Ayan. First time kong ma-vlog this year. Pero yung iba ito ay rhubarb, nandyan na yan. So, wala pang, hindi pa siguro ready yan. Kasi parang hindi pa malalaki yung kanilang kinakain niya ng dessert. Ayan. Ayan. Ginagawang minatamis. Ayan. So, buksan natin kung anong meron dito. I-harvest na raw yung kanyang patatas. Ayan guys. Yung patatas is ready na. Ayan. Dito tayo. Ay. So, ayan guys. Summer na dito pero mas malamig pa rin. Malamig pa rin ang panahon. Ayan. Wala pa si Joe. So, andito ngayon yung harvest namin is yung patatas. Ayan. Patatas. Ito ay kale. Bukas ko na mag-harvest niyan. Ito ay ayan, sa mga hindi pa nakapanood ng aking vlog na kinakain ito, ay pwede nyong panoorin dyan. Ayan, ayan yun. Yung bulaklak, yan, kinakain yan. So, dito yung red cabbage, ayan. Mayroon siyang courgette, may mga ano na, may mga bulaklak pa lang. Ayan. Tapos spinach, ayan, mayroon na silang ang dami. Strawberry, hindi ko nakikita kung may bunga, parang wala yata. Ito carrots, at spinach, sibuyas, dill, yan green. Ito naman is apple. Ayan. Patatas. Hanggang doon. Tapos dito is courgette. Ayan. Tsaka mayroon siyang corn. Ayan. Ano nangyari dito? Yung sensor niya. Kuhanin ko yung ano. Kasi, ayan o, hindi na nahinto. Sa sensor niya siguro. Ayan. Parang nasira na. Ayan. Para yung mga rabbit hindi papunta dito. Ayan. So, ayan, may sweet pea. At parang wala pa naman yata ang courgette. So, next time ko na lang pupunta dyan. So, dito muna tayo. Kasi sabi ni John, need harvest na raw. So, ito ay patatas. Ayan, dami pala oh. Ay, ang ganda. Ayan. Ayan, marami. Maganda siya. Ayan. Tingnan natin, meron pa ba? Ay, ganda. Ayan. Patatas. Lalaki ah. Ayun, mayroon pa. Wala akong dalang ano dito. Iwan ko na saan na. Yung panghukay ni Joe. Ay, ganda. Yan guys, isang puno. Where is the shovel, Hal? You know? Even you don't say anything, I can feel everything.
Yeah.
Yeah?
So good seeing.
So where is the shovel? The small one?
Shovel?
Yeah.
It's around somewhere.
I got it. I got it here.
There's a big one there.
No, I only want this one. Ayan guys. So
See the pumpkin done?
pumpkin, can you come in and have a show me? How big is it? Not big yet.
No, I don't know.
So what you gonna plant here next?
Huh?
What you gonna plant here next?
Leeks. Leeks and salad.
Because the soil is really good.
Yeah, I know. But you can't plant tomatoes there
Why?
because they'll catch the same disease.
Oh, shame.
Bugs. The pumpkin is here, man. And this is the red sweet corn.
Yeah, I know. I see that. Ayan, ito na naman.
This is the cabbage and kale.
Yeah,
Something big in that.
yeah. Ayan.
Oh, the first one is caught off. So it's water, mate.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I saw that. Oh, kaganda ng mga patatas. Malinis sila, hindi pa naman na ano ng blight. Ay, ang dami. Yan guys, oh marami. Ayan, marami. Yung isang puno, marami-rami rin. Ayan. So, ha-harvestin ko lahat. I think AI scarecrow is broken. It kept making that noise. Ayan. You hear it? The sensor, I think. Ayan,
That's the
malalaki.
one I know you don't store anyway. There's no rabbits here.
Otherwise, later, no more. Can you have a look first?
Since I put that, I haven't seen any rabbits going, so it's
Yeah.
all done. See, even these flowers, they all eaten before, they come back.
Yeah, it's nice, the flowers. Yeah, ang dami niyang bulaklak doon sa dulo. Ang gaganda. Ayan. So you have to make sure that one is not broken. Ayan. Mataba yung ano niya, guys. Ano tawag nito? Yung kanyang lupa. Ayan. Kaya ang gaganda ng patatas. Ayan, ganda. Lalaki.
Yeah, now it's broken.
It's too much grass, I think. Ayan, wala na. Wala na. Ay, 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 ay.
You got any potatoes, fun?
Yeah. I got a lot of potatoes.
Nice one.
Yeah. Then, lalaki. Yan. Bilis-bilisan ko kasi yung time ng yan, ang dami guys. Tsaka may bulati pa oh.
And
Mm.
that climbing one is a gourd. It's half melon and half
This one?
cucumber.
Okay.
Gourd.
Let's see what happened when it's
It's a sharp melon gourd.
okay. I don't know. I only want to harvest. Ayan. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pang-lima na to. Yun, ang lalaki din. Ayan, mayroon nang nangangain. Ayan, guys. Kinakain sila. Ayan. Ang lalaki. Ay, ang dami nito. Uy, ang lalaki. Ang dami, yeah. Ayan, laki. Ayan. Malaki. Wala na. Ito. Ayan. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ang dami ah. Ang lalaki ah. Ayan, wala na. Ito na. Pwede na lang. Ayan. Ay, dami.
Okay.
Yeah, very nice
Wow,
and
you got
big.
more.
Yeah. We got lots.
The
Oh
other
my
one's
god.
not too bad. Can leave those for a while. The other one, Like,
How we can eat this?
yeah, you have to eat in a couple of days though. I don't keep.
Ayan, lalaki.
You need lots of chips.
Ang dami. Oh, isa lang yun. That one is only one. Oh, no, it's on the bottom.
Some of them are quite deep. And the other one, I dig right down. It's very deep.
Is it?
Yeah.
So there's more, I think, because I don't dig it
Maybe you use a big spade.
that deep. Ayan, last. Oh, meron pa isa doon. Ay, ang daming patatas. Nasaan na yung ano ko? Trow. Ay, dito. Ay, dami. Ay, ang dami. Ang dami. Ayan. Ayan. Last one. Ay. Green na yung ano niya. Yung iba. Dito, oh, green. Ayan.
I got these spikes for the rabbits. See
So
that?
what?
I got a load of spikes for the rabbits. Yeah.
Oh. Ayan. Wala na. Yun lang. Oh, may isa ba? May ano pang isa dito, oh. Oh, shit. I dug some of your plants.
No,
Oh,
no, don't. Under the beans.
I know. I put it back. Uh-oh.
Be careful.
Sorry.
It took me ages to grow, right? Because the rabbits kept eating them.
Done. Ayan. Ang patatas, guys. Yeah. So, ayan siya, guys. How many you plant in here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 plants.
Yeah. Oh, they're quite big. They're only new potatoes.
They're not new potatoes. Ang lalaki. Ayan. So, ganyan siya, guys. Ayan. Kakainin namin to mamaya. Kasi mag-overtime ako. I'm going first. And then I'm going to sit down
Yeah.
and cook dinner. Because I'm going back to the big house.
So I'll come and get the salad later.
We're gonna have salmon and potatoes.
Finish.
No. Yeah. Well, you cook. Because I'm going...
Potatoes and spinach.
Going to hindi muna ako mag-vlog ng dinner kasi ayan, pagod ako. Ayan, magluluto at babalik pa sa trabaho kasi mag-overtime ako. Ayan, ganyan talaga ang buhay, guys. Wala na siguro ito dito. Ayan, ayan na. So this is the potatoes. Kunin natin yan. Yan. Harvest. So, you're taking the potato with you, yeah?
Yeah, it's not too heavy, man.
No, they're not really heavy. So, how you
It's
think?
Ready for planting.
Yeah, how you think of your potatoes? Is it good?
Well, big ones, yeah.
Yeah.
They're only first early new potatoes. They're usually small.
So we're gonna end the vlog.
They're definitely ready. Maybe
Yeah.
that's why the plant's dying, not disease, because it's ready.
Yeah. So we're gonna end the vlog.
Bye. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell. Toodaloo.
So guys, thank you for watching. Ayan, uwi na ako, yung kamay ko marumi.
That's normal now.